melted venison kielbasa drying up, and that's going to go into my potato soup. Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today is going to be another soup. Fall is here, and I tend to get into soup mode when fall comes. And I'm making my potato soup for you today. Now, this is not the traditional PA Dutch potato soup. I'll make that another time because that is vastly different than what I'm going to make today. The PA Dutch potato soup is a thinner soup with potatoes, a little bit of onion, and hard-boiled eggs in it, and it's very good, but it's completely different than what I'm making. I'm making my mom's recipe. My mom used to make this every fall, and when she'd make it, it was almost like a sign that fall was there. But I absolutely love it. It's thicker, it's a heavier base soup, but I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things. So I'm making my mom's potato soup today. So let's get to it. Okay, so for my potato soup, potatoes, and look at the pretty pinky red ones. They give us a nice color. A little bit of salt. I've got some cream and some peas and some shredded cheddar cheese and salt and pepper and diced onion and some venison kielbasa, smoked venison kielbasa. That's going to give it some good flavor. So the next step is boiling my potatoes. I'm going to boil these till they're tender, and then I'll drain them. About 5 minutes before I pull them off, I'm going to add my peas so they'll all be cooked. And I'm just going to add the peas in, and I'm just going to stir them in with my potatoes and let them get cooked here. These were frozen peas, and I thawed them out, drained them, and just adding these in here. They only need to cook for about 5 minutes or so on a simmer. Okay, so then I've added half a stick of butter in here, and I'm going to saute our onions until they're translucent. I'm also going to throw in the smoked kielbasa, and I chop that up. I'm just going to add these in here. We'll get them sauteed. We'll add in our smoked kielbasa. Let these saute so they become more translucent. Alright, these are translucent. Next up, I'm going to add in our cream. Lower the heat, add in a little salt, and I'm also going to add in our cheese and start getting that nice and melty. I'm going to re-add our vegetables and some water. And we'll get this stirred in. And we're going to bring this to a simmer. Okay, so this is pretty well simmered where I want it. Thickened down a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of parsley. I added some pepper. Let that simmer in for another few minutes, and then it's going to be ready to take off the stove, and then you know what time it is. Oh, that's pretty. So you know what comes next. The taste test time. Oh man. Pour that with the chunks of potato, a little kielbasa in there. Smoked venison kielbasa at that. Gives it really nice smoky flavor. And the peas, and I know it's not traditional potato soup maybe by some people's standards, but that's how my mom made it and I really like it like that. So, oh man, this smells so good. Man, I pile this on the stove, man, it will go empty quick. I love this stuff. I can eat this stuff all day long. Like I said, you can use bacon, you can use sausage, ham, but I really like the smoked kielbasa. Just, man, that sets it off. The smoke really gets through it with the cheese. Like I said, there's other potato soups, and PA potato soup is good in its own right. It's a plainer soup, and it's very good. But I like my mom's. So today, it's all about my mom's potato soup. Hope you give it a try. Hope you like it. It's great to feed a bunch here in the fall weather and winter weather, and give it a shot. Like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.